If you love rustic decorations like I do, I want to show you this beautiful rustic shelf that I made with reclaimed material. I did a demolition on a house that I'm doing some remodeling, and I saved all the wood because this wood is really hard to find. This one is from an 1846 house, so it's that hard pine with the beautiful saw cuts or saw marks that are resembling that old time, and I didn't want to throw it away. So what I did is that I washed it all. Normally I put some soapy water in in a bucket, and I use some scrubbing sponges or just brushes and clean out really well. And after it's nice and clean, I go ahead and pick the sections of the boards that I love. Now what I did is, in this case, I used a 6-inch screw that it went through all these things by using some clamps. I was able to start clamping the width of the shelf. I didn't want to go that big, so this one is about 10 inches wide and just about 16 inches long, and the idea is to keep it as beautiful as possible. You can see that the screws are hiding underneath, and I use some gentle sanding to maintain that beautiful design. I wanted to take out all the little splinters and the little areas that were kind of rough, and just kind of make it nice and beautiful, and make it some sort of a drift wood design on the front, some sort of like a worn out type of design, and just clean it. Imagine from the moment I got it to now how it looks like. So you want to just make sure that it's nice and straight as possible, based on whatever wood you find, but just keep it beautiful. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to do the angles that are going to support it on the wall, and I'm just kind of free designing over here, the shelf supports. And what you do is that you create one piece, sand it down with either the sander, or you want to use a bell sander, whatever it is. If you feel that you're comfortable with the design and the finish that you have on the sanding piece, go ahead and use it as a template, so you can make as many supports as you want. You may want a longer shelf, so you want probably more brackets to put on the wall. That's fine. Or if you're doing an arbor, a trellis or something, this is the same process that I take. I copy from one template, and I just transfer all those angles into the other boards, and it looks kind of unique. So that's just a technique that I use, but it looks really nice. I mean, the rougher it looks, the better in this particular case, because we want to have some sort of rustic, handmade style, kind of designs or details on these boards. Now I cut these rebars. These are 1/2-inch rebars, and these are the ones that are going to go inside the chimney itself. So what I want is to have it about 2 to 3 inches inside the support, so the angles and the brackets, and about 6 inches into the wall, because I don't want them to fall down, especially if you put something really heavy on top of them. Now this is a sealer. This is actually a gloss water-based sealer that I'm putting or finish. And the idea is to make sure that it's not going to get dirty, or just going to enhance the color and the cuts of the wood. So overall, what it does is that it just brings all those colors out, all the designs out, all the I guess the grooves out, or saw marks out. This is the fireplace itself. What I did is that I actually put the molding on top, sealed it really well. After washing it really well, I sealed the chimney, because the sand itself was kind of crumbling. The mortar is really old. I repointed some of the areas just to make it look nice. So it was some work on that, but this is how they look like after I put all the rebars, the rebars on each of the angle, those support brackets that I'm putting over here. And I'm going to make 2 perforations. In this case, I want to make sure that they're going into the mortar itself instead of the brick. And also what I want is to just kind of add a little bit of glue in the back, construction adhesive, some sort of like liquid nail type of thing, just to kind of give a little bit of support. But they're going in about 6 inches, and look the results. It looks amazing. My customers were really happy. And with this wood, I made a whole bunch of different pieces of furniture for the house. They are happy. And now you can create your own beautiful pieces, decorate your house, or why not make it a business. Follow my channel. I have a lot of information that will help you to succeed in your projects. Bye.